Good morning everyone, Jorni here with another pre-launch session video. Today is Friday the 12th of November, the time of this recording is 6:75 AM UK time. And before I start I would like to highlight that this is not financial advice, this is just the way that I see the markets and that I would like to share with all of you. Okay, I do have in front of me the DXY, dollar index. In my video yesterday, I mentioned that I was expecting, by the time of the recording, we were somewhere in the middle of this candle. I was expecting some bearishness. Yeah. If we go now to the 1 hour, here you can see it better on the 1 hour. So the time of the recording was around here. So I was expecting a little bit, a little push higher, then trade lower. The DXY didn't really trade it lower, but EURUSD did exactly what I wanted it to do. So as I mentioned in the video yesterday on EURUSD, if I go now to the 5-minute time frame, 8 a.m. Where do we have 8 a.m. here? Here is around 8 a.m. I said that I was expecting another move down, which happened around 8 a.m. Then I could see this reaction. After seeing this reaction, that was a bullish sign for me. So then we could enter here on a bullish order block, last bearish before the bull, and yeah, then we had, and yeah, then we traded actually into a nice 1 to 3.3 risk to rewards. Okay, I will delete this because this is not valid anymore. But let me go back to the DXY and what I think that will or might happen today. So as I mentioned yesterday, I was expecting DXY to trade lower. That did not really happen. Instead, we traded a little bit higher, but the price action was very slow, and it was a bank holiday, and price action was very slow. But I do expect now. So what I was expecting yesterday, I expect that this will happen now, and we could see here a spike up. So I do believe that we will see now from now on bearishness. Ideal scenario, as always, clearing another time Asian liquidity to then trade lower. We can see a trend line here, so people are now already trading the trend line, so we might see around the trend line a spike up and people are buying, but then I am quite convinced that we will see a sell-off and that all the people that are long here will get wrecked. If you look at the chart in this way, I don't think that we are willing to buy at such high prices. Yeah. So I'm really looking forward to seeing a pullback on dollar. Ideally, if I go to the 4 hour, ideally back into this imbalance area. We can see here between this week and this week there has only been bullish price action, so I do believe that price can come back and revisit this area. Once we are in this area, then I will look maybe for another buy opportunity. It all depends on what on what dollar is telling me. I still believe that we will reach there and there we will go for these levels. It's too obvious, and these equal lows. The support here is too obvious, and I really do believe that we will run this. Might be next week, might be in a month, we don't know. But for today, I do expect some bearishness on dollar. If I go to Euro USD back now, so if I delete everything, yeah, exactly the same. Yesterday I was expecting some bullishness, and it didn't really happen. I mean, we could enter on a nice trade was around here, but for today, do expect exactly the same to happen. Maybe clearing this liquidity one more time, and then I would like to look for setup, something like this. Yeah, I see a reaction higher, a clear reaction higher. Ideally trading above this order block. Ideally trading above this order block. Of course, I'm not willing to buy somewhere over here. I'm willing to buy where the last manipulation to break this liquidity happened, and I'm willing to buy around here. GBPUSD. GBP is looking stronger. It's looking stronger than euro, so that means that euro GBP at the moment is trading lower. Exactly, and this is a very important bearish order block. I mentioned it yesterday. I do believe that from this order block we can euro GBP. If I go to the 1 hour, might be more clear. That we can trade down. That we can trade lower. So that means GBP strength. If I look at GBP now, I do believe that and I hope that we can see another spike down, clearing this liquidity, and then exactly the same. I am looking for hopefully trading above this order block or above this price action, because this week mitigated this order block, so right above, so this order block is not valid anymore, and then look to enter on a pullback. And this is an ideal scenario, and this is something that I'm looking forward to. So London open, another spike down, and then I need to see price action up. If I don't see price action up, I'm not willing to buy. I need to see exactly the same as what happened yesterday on Euro USD. First a move down, then a nice move up, and then I will look to buy somewhere over here. Okay, good guys, and this was my morning video. Hope you enjoyed it. It's the last day, and it's the last trading day of the week. It was a bit choppy, but I do think that we could enter some really decent trades. I'm looking forward to make another video on Monday, and if I don't hear or see you guys anymore, have a great weekend. Let's catch up if you do have any questions in the Discord, and if not, see you guys very soon. Have a good one. Bye bye.